I would like to add this to it. All right. What I want to add is just about uh, showing you how to do the settings, of the web. Okay, the app on the web. Now, once you log into your app, okay, for instance, this is the web for the app. Once you log in, you're in already, right? If you go to your menu, you're going to see on the profile, you're going to see settings. From the settings, now we have robot trading as well. Okay, I have robot trading, but we're still on it. Okay, so you can see you have play sound. By default, it's on, so it means it can generate sound. Every time there is notification, it can generate. But the other part, the remaining part you now need to do, will have to do with your Google Chrome. So you click on the menu of your Google Chrome, go to your settings. From your Google Chrome settings, okay, you go to notifications. Can you see notification? If it was off like this, if your Google notification was off, you are not going to receive any sound. Okay, you're not going to receive any sound. If it is off like this, notifications are not going to come, it's not going to display. There may be signal coming in, but you're not going to be aware. All you need to do is to put it on, and then if you want the notification to be displaying like you saw on my phone when I was trading, you have to allow this one, show notifications, browser content, whatever. Then once you are done with this, this is just for Chrome notification to display. You scroll down and you look for TMNmedia. Okay, you can see so many of them that I have here, right? Then you scroll down, you look for TMNmedia. Right here, can you see notification displaying? Okay, see the notification displaying. Okay, so every time it comes, it's going to ring out. Okay, so you can see here TMNmedia. If you open it, you're going to see. Can you see? You can see. Let's even say it's off. Let me switch it off and show you. Okay, I'll switch it off. I want to show you how you have to on it. Right now, it is here. It is off. All you need to do is put it on. And then put on pop-up on screen. You can see this pop-up on screen. Put it on. Whenever it shows up, whenever there is a signal, whenever there is a notification, it is going to pop up. Okay, just like you were seeing on my own phone while I was doing trading, it's going to pop up. All right, it's going to pop up. So you have this pop up here. If you want sound, you want vibration, whatever, you can activate them. Okay, but in pure terms, it's going to pop up. Every time I can have the notification not popping up, it's just going to drop. So I'm not going to know which one it is. But when it pops up, it's going to display and tell me this is 25, this is 50, this is 75. From there, I can now make my trade. So the web is a lot easier. The app is also easier. I'm quite updating the app. Once it's updated, they're going to be doing the same wonderful work. So guys, that's how you set up your notification, okay, so that it can be available. Remember, I'll go over it again one more time. The first step is very simple. You come here to once you log in to the web, you can see the web address here on top. Okay, once you log into the web, okay, I just logged in. Now by default, all those things are not going to be available. Some phones have them, some will not. So let's assume you're not having them. The next thing you need to do is to go to your profile. That's the first thing. Settings, preference, then enable the play sound. By default, it is enabled. Okay, by default, it is enabled. So that's the first thing. Okay, first step. All right, the second step is you come here, you see these dots, 3 dots on your Chrome. You click on it. You scroll down and you go to settings. From your settings, you scroll down and you go to notifications. Notifications. If your notification is off, by default, maybe you off it on your phone, meaning any notification coming from Google Chrome, you're not going to receive it. So if you want it on, all you need to do is to put it on. You say show notification, meaning you have allowed it. Okay, your phone is going to recognize that it has been allowed. Then show notification. If all this show notification is off, click on it, show notification. You can see browser, play media, whatever. It shows the notification whenever they are available. Then you scroll down to site. You see this site. By default, you can have it off like this. All you need to do is to on it and go straight down and look for TMNmedia. By default, TMNmedia is not going to be on. Okay, just like any other one that you did not allow. Now, you have to click on the TMNmedia, switch it on, then you will see, it will say alerting, silent, whatever. You already allow it. Then you click on pop on. You can see by default this one is switched off. Pop on screen, meaning whenever the notification arrives, it shows up a little display on your phone. All right, once you have this allowed, you are okay, meaning you are ready and good to go. All right, so that's how you alert your notification, and then you will be able to see everything, every signal as they are coming, just like you saw the signals as they were coming when I was doing this recording. Okay, this is just to let you know how to activate your notification on your for browser. This is for browser. Now for the app, it's very simple. Okay, for the app, it's very simple. All you need to do is to go to your phone settings. For the app, go to your phone settings and go to app and notifications. Okay, app and notifications. Then you, on your app and notification, all you need to do is to look for your app. Okay, look for the app, TMNmedia app. All right, should in case you have deactivated your notification, whatever, you can search for it. Okay, it's in this T session. You look for TMNmedia. This is TMNmedia. Once you open it, you see notification, right? Click on notification. And then this guy may be off from your phone default. Put it on. Click on advance. Okay, allowed notification dots, meaning whenever it comes up, you allow it to also display just like the web. So this is how you get to allow the notification to be displayed on your phone. You have to do it. Okay, by default, most phones disable these functions. Okay, sometimes we also disable it because you've been receiving so many messages from WhatsApp, whatever, so you disable them sometimes. And then if you are not hearing sound, lastly, you're not hearing sound. Okay, you're not hearing sound. Remember, you can click on the volume of your phone. You can see from here on my own volume of my phone. Click on it. You see this bell. When it's on vibrate, any notification that comes is not going to ring out. And once it's like this, any notification that comes is not going to ring out. I'm clicking on it again. But when it is like this, any notification that shows up is going to come. But how else do you do it? Go to your settings there and increase. Now you can see alert volume. It is not alert, it is notification volume. Okay, ring. You can see this bell, the bell, ring volume. It's also for your phone, for whatever. You make sure it's ringing out. Then you go to default. You see any other sound. You want your phone to be vibrating when it sounds or whatever. You can do that. So you have to allow it. All right, you allow your notification. If you put it on mute, you go to your settings, you change your sound so that you allow notifications so they can ring out. But most phones nowadays, they have shortcuts. Okay, they have shortcuts. Once you click on the volume, whether up or down, you can see my own. I'm seeing it here. Okay, I'm seeing it here. You can see it's reducing. Now I've reduced the volume of my phone, but not of my alert. So alert will still work because there are two different things. You can see that's all you do. All right, so don't get it mixed up. Make sure your notification and your volume is up so that when something rings, you get to know. All right, by default, most of these things are we most times mute them because of our phone function and how we use them. So guys, this is how you get to do this. God bless you. See you in another video.